how to use focus mode on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If notifications, calls, or apps keep distracting you while studying, working, sleeping, or relaxing, focus mode on iPhone can seriously help in this. So first thing to do is to unlock your iOS device or your iPhone and then open up the Settings app. From the Settings app, scroll down a little and tap on Focus. On the next page where it says Focus, you'll see different focus options such as Do Not Disturb, Personal, Sleep, Work. You can also create your own custom one. To create a new custom, go to the top right and tap the plus icon and answer some of the questions to create a focus. If you want to choose from the available focus options, go ahead and choose Work if you want fewer distractions during office hour. Inside the Work Focus option, you can also see which apps are allowed to have alerts or notifications. You can add the apps on this page as well. You can also choose the customized screen you want for the focus mode. If you want to silence notifications at night, you can tap on the sleep option. Again, you can customize the sleep focus option as well by choosing the apps that are allowed or not allowed. But while sleep focus, you'll be able to see that none of the people and none of the apps are allowed. You can also customize the screen for your sleep focus. If you want, you can turn on the sleep schedule, add focus filters, and so on. To create your own custom focus, tap the plus icon at the top right and choose what do you want to focus on. You can choose from one of these options. I'm just going to create a mindfulness option over here. Now follow through the on-screen instruction and the focus option will ask you to select the people tab and choose who can contact you while this focus is turned on. You can add people from your contact list. Choose to allow calls from some of the contacts. Select if you want to allow repeated calls or not from the toggle menu at the bottom. And then once you are done, you can head back. You can also choose which apps can send notification to you. Once you've created the focus, you can now get back to the home screen. Now, in order to turn on the focus mode, drag from the top right corner from your iPhone's home screen and press hold on focus option. Now choose the focus mode you want to turn on. Let's say I'm going to turn on the mindfulness option. Once you do that, you'll be able to enable the focus mode. Try experimenting with different focus modes for study, sleep, or personal time until you find what works best for you. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.